Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff. So what I want to do in this video is do some one-year forecasting, okay? I think this is going to be kind of a fun idea. And as you all know, guys, Cronos Group has been on fire ever since the market started to recover. Today opened up at $19 and now it is up, over 5% on the trading day again. But before we go any further, guys, this is what I want you to do. Go down to the comment section and tell me, what price do you think CRON is going to be trading at in 1 year from today? I'm really looking forward to some of these answers. And then on February 7th of the year 2020, I will come back and revisit this video. And who knows, one of us might guess it right. Like I said, this is more of a fun type of video. It is a hard stock to predict, okay? It is a great stock to have a position in. I bought a little more on this recent dip when it got down under $19. And my cost basis now is about $11.16. So I actually raised the cost basis up, but I do think CRON is going to continue to run. So some people's valuations on this company, guys, are ridiculously high, and I don't think they're achievable in a year's time. Then again, I think there's too many people out there being bearish on this stock, thinking it's going to go down. Of course, keep in mind, we're about to get a slew of earnings reports, for Q4 marijuana companies, okay? So that is the period of time since marijuana has been legalized all throughout Canada, and I'm just going to shoot you straight. Some of these earnings reports are going to be amazing and blow you away, and others are not, okay? Some of these companies still have so much room to grow and are just still in the developmental stages, so I'm not expecting, Tilray and Aurora and Canopy Growth and CRON and Afria and all these companies to just blow numbers out of the water, but that very could possibly happen. I'm probably more excited about that round of earnings than I am anything, okay? Even the big mega cap stock companies, guys, we've gotten through that, but that didn't really generate the kind of excitement that I think the marijuana companies have. Now, back in November, this was CRON's earnings report, and they missed by 2 cents on EPS, but they beat by 1.4 million on revenue. And so the revenue of 3.76 million, I know there was a lot of people that would look at their market cap value right now and say that CRON is extremely overvalued. If you want to look at this from a traditional sense, a company with a $3.7 billion market cap should be cranking out a lot more revenue than $3.76 million. Keep in mind what these companies can become in the future. A lot of that is priced into these stocks. They are fundamentally overvalued. I think to say that CRON will be a $5 billion company in a year almost goes without saying, but my money is really on them being much bigger than that. I think CRON is going to be close to somewhere between $7 and $10 billion company in a year from now. That's probably actually being conservative. Most of the big marijuana buffs are going to say this is maybe a $15 or $20 billion company, and that is also very possible. But I'm going to lean a little conservative just simply because I know fundamentalists are going to beat it down. CRON got a recent downgrade on February 5th by GMP Securities, and they downgraded CRON from a buy to a hold, okay? So they're saying at these levels CRON is currently trading at, do not be buying it, but simply hold your stock. And so I went and tracked down the article where they talked about downgrading CRON. They changed their rating to a hold from a buy, and they reiterated a stock price target of C24, so in the Canadian Stock Exchange, $24, but that would be $18 here in the United States. And so that actually implies a significant downside from where it's currently trading. So I just want you all to be aware of those things. Like I said, I'm very bullish on the MJ industry, but I do know that these stock ratings do have an effect directly on the stock. It did drop the stock price down 6% that day, but since that time has totally recovered, and like I said, it's up again another 5% again today. Over the past year, CRON is up 153%, and if you guys have bought this stock in the dips, I bet it has treated you very, very well. We're back in April, it was trading down in the $5 range. Of course, August and September is where it's seen its huge run up. And then, of course, the decline it took with the rest of the market from October to December. Here in October, guys, that's where it was trading around the $6 range. So if you would have taken a position in the $6 range, you would be up well over 300% right now in just a couple of months. because since that time, you can see CRON has basically traded straight up, getting up as high as $23.25, okay? So I'm really excited to see where this goes. You know, there will be green days, there will be plenty of red days, and just keep in mind, a lot of analysts are going to come in and try to beat this stock down because it is seeing so much price movement. But what I want you to do, guys, go down to the comment section and tell me where you think CRON is going to be trading at in a year from now, and I will pin a comment of where I think CRON will be trading at in a year. It will be pinned the very first comment in the comment section. So I'm looking forward to the answers, guys, and thanks for watching.